I made a request a while ago. Yeah, I was having fun, viewing all your searches here. So I'm enjoying the live.
But can you understand what we are talking about?
Yeah, of course.
Can you speak Tagalog?
You have been speaking English a while ago. So why can't you speak English now?
But our viewers are mostly guys, mapapasabak tayo nito, guys. Guys, totoo na talaga to.
Hey, everyone, good evening.
We have a lot of viewers, 1,300 viewers right now.
Oh my good lord! Oh my god! Hi everybody!
Woo!
Wow, you're so famous. Yeah, having so many viewers. You know.
So, what are you looking for? Are you looking for other race or you must prefer a Filipino also?
I have a Filipino boyfriend before.
You don't have boyfriend right now?
Yeah, 3 years ago.
Okay, so are you ready to search for someone else?
Yeah, gonna try.
Yeah, we will try tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sure. Okay. Uy, magbisaya na lang siguro ta. Uy, kabalo, lagi ka magbisaya ba? What language you speak?
Oh, I speak 3 languages. I can speak Tagalog. I can speak your mother tongue. No problem. Hello, magandang gabi sa lahat po.
Ay, nakatonto man na sa... Uy! Sama na, uy.
You know, I can speak 3 languages, so it's not new to me.
Katonto, masinday ka na.
You can call me Casey. I'm 44.
Wow, you look young. You look younger than your age. You look like 43 years old. Single or single mom?
Oh my God, I'm really pure single. Single talaga. Nagka-jowa na ako before, kaya lang nag-cheat siya, so iniwan ko na.
Ay, naku, walang anak-anak pala.
Grabe si Kuya Mar.
Ate Casey, alam mo ba ang title ng ating usapan ngayon?
I'm searching for Valentino?
No.
Ano yun?
Dibdib ang usapan.
Ah, nakakaloka. Bakit ba?
Ayan oh.
Pasensya na, gifted lang ng konti. Pasensya na.
Yan! Very good. That's good. Do you know what you call that one?
Bundok.
No.
Ano?
Irrigation.
Oh no! Akala ko sasabihin mo puwet ng bata eh.
Oh, hindi. There is a canal in between, so there is a irrigation.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Love na kita.
Ah, I love you too.
How's the experience with a Filipino boyfriend?
Okay naman siya, kaya lang di ko maintindihan kung bakit napunta sa cheating yung ano.
Is it a hat or a dog? Uy! What? Uy! What? Uy! What are you laughing for?
Ang init, may ano naman ako, may fan naman ako, biglang uminit.
Nako ate, huwag kang uminit. Iba na ang kwan yan. Ang resulta niyan pag uminit ka.
Wala pa naman akong katabi, Diyos ko.
Hindi, Hoy! Hoy!
Ginagawa mo?
Nakaintindi ka ate, no? Nakaintindi ka?
Oo naman, Bisaya yung mama ko. Ano ka ba? Okay
Guys,
lang yan.
wala kayong narinig, guys.
Oo guys, bingi kayo lahat. Huwag kayo
Mga Bisaya lang makasabot. Yung mga walang sabot.
Oh no!
Ate, ating gabi na dyan, huwag ka masyadong maingay.
Baka maingkanto ako.
Hindi, mausog ka.
Mausog ako, biglang lalaki yung nasa irrigation ko.
buti sana kung lalaki lang, paano kung mag-eruption? Di ba 3 years ka ng single?
Yeah.
Lang kwa na. Nagbitak-bitak na yun.
Uy, grabe ka, Kuya Mar. Di naman. So, may vibrator naman ako. Ano ka ba?
Ha? Ha?
Ginagawa mo.
Paano yun? Kasi alam mo naman, yung mga Pinoy is, kumbaga, sa talong at okra, green chili lang yung Pinoy.
So, swerte pala ako dun sa boyfriend ko dati kasi ano yun, naka-size 8 yun.
Ha? Ha? Nagkasya?
Oo.
Sana.
Pasubo siya sa pagka-Afrikana ko.
Grabe, size 8. Wala namang ganong Pinoy, oy.
Meron.
Wow.
Meron nga.
Ah, grabe. Bula-bula eh. Ay, kaya pala yung isopagos mo ang laki. Wala talaga tayong makikita nito. Aatras na sila. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi naipasok na, hindi mo pa naramdaman.